Alrighty, guys, I want to make a special video for the bigger cap stocks out there. With the market going down, what are some of the biggest cap stocks at the levels that we need to look at, like the Mag 7, right? Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, and all those big ones. Where should we be looking to buy them and take advantage of them at these dips? So let's go into the chart. I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at, and I want to talk about some of these big cap stocks here and how to take advantage of them because these opportunities aren't going to happen all the time. As you can see with Nvidia, every time we had a massive dump, if you took advantage of it, you made massive money, literally 43% in 2 weeks on a big cap stocks. So Nvidia here, as you can see, we've always had dumps, but they have recovered tremendously. And if you're looking at the longer term outlook, it is in a full out uptrend. Very beautiful uptrend, right? And the reason why I say that is because we have the EMA 50 at the very bottom. And not just because of the weekly, check out the monthly chart too. I'll show you it right here. EMA 50 is at the bottom. I don't think Nvidia is going to go down to this EMA 50 for a very long time on the monthly chart. You can see that it's going to keep going up and up as time. I think the most that Nvidia will come down to is this monthly EMA 20, which is sitting at currently $96 at the moment. And you also see massive support on these candles down here. I personally say, that's, where we're looking at. I'm also looking to buy Nvidia on this weekly EMA 50, which is sitting at $117. You can see the last time that Nvidia hit this level, it went up massive. It went up 24% in 2 weeks. Big absolute gains right there, respecting my EMA 50. So there's a lot of ways I can do this. If it decides to go to this monthly EMA 20, we are looking at this price from here to there. You are looking at a 19% drop. You can always sell covered calls. There's a whole video in my Discord on how to do that. I'm not going to talk about it in this video on how you can just keep reducing your average when you go to that next big support level. But we're coming into a big level here on this weekly EMA 50. I have a pretty good chance of thinking like, hey, Nvidia can bounce there. Let's talk about Tesla, guys. Tesla is the next big cap stock I want to talk about just off my bat. I'm doing this raw with you guys and looking at the charts. You can see Tesla is right now on a weekly EMA 50. It went a little bit below it, but that's totally fine. I am in this personally with my account, and I am selling cover calls. If you guys know, if you guys are in the Discord, check it out. I'll tell you guys exactly what I do in the swing trade alerts, exactly the cover calls I look to sell and everything, and how you can make massive money in just reducing your average too on this one. But I like this one. Weekly EMA 50, sure, it can go down a little. You could, sometimes the price will go just right to it and pump. We don't know that. But as I see Tesla being very weak right now, maybe it wants to hit this monthly EMA 20. I'm looking at to add Tesla on this monthly EMA 20, which is at 265.84. So current price is 281. I'll be looking to add right there. Same thing as Nvidia, monthly uptrend, EMA 50 right here at this very bottom. You can see that it has respected before, and in the longer term outlook, it just kept going up. So I'm going to take advantage of this one. This one I'm in right now. Let's look at Apple, another big cap stock of the Mag 7 here. So we have Apple here. We had the weekly chart going up right here. Everything looks good. I don't see anything wrong with Apple. If you took advantage of this, look at this. We got near the EMA 20, got near the 50. You accumulate your shares, and bam, Apple just went up big right there. Apple got close to this EMA 50. Like I said, sometimes it gets close, sometimes it touches it, sometimes it can penetrate. I like to start my average a little bit above it. It's totally fine. Apple went massive up in here, making a nice move. Apple's a very good, solid company. I would be looking for the EMA 50 with this market environment, so we'll see. It might just bounce on this EMA 20 on the weekly. And the monthly chart, solid uptrend, guys. Nothing to worry about with this. This is a solid company. Definitely be looking at the monthly EMA 22. So we'll see what happens with Apple. Microsoft. Let's talk about Microsoft. What are we looking at Microsoft? And so you guys can see what exactly I'm seeing. Right in here, same thing, kind of like with Tesla, right? We hit this EMA 50, we had the bounce. A lot of the times what I see happen is if we hit this, especially with a longer trend like this, you see how we've been on this long weekly trend. You got to understand is that every time frame, we're going to hit the EMAs, okay? This monthly, we'll eventually hit this EMA 50. You can see way back on 2022, look how perfect Microsoft hit this, and then it bounced massive. These are investment opportunities. If you can wither the pain and be like, you know what, I'm investing. Those are the opportunities to invest. So I'm looking at Microsoft on the EMA 20 monthly at 386 right now. It's at 392. I'd be looking at that one. Let's look at Meta Platforms is looking really bullish here too. They're all looking good, guys. There's no reason to panic, and that's why I'm saying, which bigger cap stock should we look to get? Some are a little more overextended, like the Apple. They're not looking at good pullbacks like Tesla and Nvidia are. But here's this weekly EMA 50 way down here at 555. The monthly EMA 20 is at 487. So I'll probably give this one time to cool down. Yeah, so I'm just like kind of you want to show you guys. I think you guys get the point. Which one would I be looking to buy? I like Tesla the most because we had this EMA 50 and we're super close to this monthly EMA 20, and I like Nvidia a lot coming into this weekly EMA 50. So I just want to share a couple of the bigger cap stocks out there where we know in the long term these are going to survive. So where would I look to park my money when the market crashes? These are the couple of stocks that I personally like. And I would use this system on, this is how I do it. I also do cover calls. I tell you guys exactly, because it doesn't matter, guys. For example, Tesla is going down. I'm still making money as Tesla goes down. It seems weird that I bought shares and I'm making money when it goes down. It's because I'm winning in three directions with cover calls, down, up, or sideways. So I tell you guys exactly what I do. Like, for example, I made over $5 of premium on this Tesla cover call, and I just keep making money as it goes down. Obviously, I don't want it to keep going down. I think the longer outlook on the monthly tells everything about some of these stocks, that these are in a massive uptrend. Of course, we're gonna have little downtrends, but the longer term picture looks really good, guys. That's my thesis here. I didn't want to make it too long a video. These are kind of stocks. Hey, market's crashing. Everyone's freaking you out. What should you buy? These are the stocks I would buy, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below in the description. I have a really nice community. I'm not going to charge you guys a lot. I know trading is hard. I know trading is risky, and I want to give you guys an edge where what would you do, how to react in these kind of environments. These are awesome opportunities where you can make tons of money, right? These are not easy environments where a lot of people are scared to buy. With this system that I'm using, I'm not scared. I know what I'm looking for. I know my results. I know the probabilities. And that's all trading is. People will be like, well, it's going to go to this level. I mean, there's tons of support levels out there, but I'm looking at the big support levels, big demand zones, and if you look at the back test of my system, it works really well. So if you guys want to join and subscribe, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. My Discord will be there. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. Basically, once you read this, you can just hit day trade alerts right here, and you can get access to all my systems. Day trades, swing trades for $12 a month. Your name will be in gold. You can see the day and swing trading plus, and you'll get access to everything, all future, past knowledge, education, live streams. I do live streams too. You can find that in the description, and also right here. I'll tell you guys when I go live in the Discord. Day trade alerts. I make money every day using my day trading strategy, using a nice over 90% win ratio strategy, and swing trade alerts. I'll post them on here. So hope you guys do decide to join. $12 a month. You won't regret it. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe, as they're having issues with Android. But please just read how to subscribe. It's pretty basic. If you don't have a computer, you can use your phone's browser and use this link right here. But also, if you're not from the US, it might charge you a little extra. It might be like $15 or $16, but you're getting a pretty good discount, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.